Hey everyone, welcome back to English Flow. Today's topic is how to ask for recommendations when traveling abroad.
Exactly. When you visit a new place, you often want to know where to eat, what to see, or what's fun to do.
And asking politely makes a big difference.
Let's start with some easy and natural phrases you can use.
So, Paul, imagine I'm in Italy. I want to eat good pizza. What can I say?
You can say, "Excuse me, could you recommend a good place to eat nearby?"
Nice. That sounds polite.
Yes, or do you know any local restaurants around here?
Perfect. That's friendly and natural.
You can also ask, "What's your favorite restaurant in this area?" That's a great way to start a conversation.
What if I want to explore, like sightseeing or local experiences?
Then try, what do you recommend doing around here?
Or are there any must-see places nearby?
Excellent. You can also say, is there anything fun to do in this city? Very casual and friendly.
I like that one. It works anywhere.
Let's say you're at the hotel front desk. You can ask, could you recommend any good restaurants close to the hotel?
Or do you have any suggestions for places to visit today?
Exactly. It sounds polite and natural.
And remember to smile. Tone and attitude are important in English communication. When someone gives you advice, don't forget to thank them. Right. You can say, "Thanks a lot. That sounds great."
Or, "Thank you, I'll check it out."
Being kind and polite helps you make friends while traveling.
Absolutely. And it makes your trip more enjoyable.
Let's practice together. I'll ask and you answer at home. Ready?
Sure, go ahead.
Could you recommend a good place for coffee?
Great. Now try this. Are there any popular attractions nearby?
Excellent! You're doing great.
So today we learned how to ask for restaurant recommendations, how to ask about things to do, and how to respond politely.
Remember these phrases. They'll help you travel confidently anywhere in the world.
And the more you use them, the more natural you'll sound.
Thanks for listening to English Flow with Paul and Nick.
If you like this episode, don't forget to subscribe and like for more easy English lessons every week.
Keep your English flowing. See you next time.
Bye, everyone.